Hi, welcome back a new video. In this video I will show you how to edit Moody green effect using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now, and expect you support. Okay, let's start editing. Open Lightroom Mobile. First go to Basic Adjustments, then now go to Lights. Exposure little down to -0.35. Contrast to 10, and highlight up to 16, then -45 to shadow. Whites to +14. At last blacks to -24. Now next go to Color panel. Temperature to -15, and tint up increase in 12. Vibrance 12 and saturation to -14. Then now select Mix Adjustment, the red color luminance increase to 16. Select orange color saturation to 14, 13 to luminance. Next yellow color, increase hue to 83. Saturation to -50. Bring up luminance to 88. Go to green color, hue to 65. Saturation down to -28. -20 luminance. Select aqua color, hue increase in 60. Luminance down to -100. Next select blue, decrease luminance to -36, and magenta luminance to 24. Done. Then go to Effects panel. Clarity little up to 6. Dehaze +10. Vignette down to -33. OK, then remove noise in the photos, select Details panel, increase noise reduction to 15, and color noise reduction to 5. Perfect. Go to Optics, enable Lens Profile Correction. Final touch, go Brush, select the Gradient tool, drag in better position. The brush tool is available in premium Adobe Lightroom users. OK, touch the light panel little down, exposure to -0.54. Done. And color hue to 173, saturation 45. OK, at last brighter the face. Now select Round Gradient tool, drag the main object place, increase exposure to 0.32. Finished. Let's see before and after. Before and after. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Select all check mark. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. Make changes to your liking. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. Please leave your comments about this video in the comment box. See you next video.